Hello everybody, how are we all? I'm at the train station. No, I'm not going anywhere. I've just got back from Liverpool on yesterday's video, and I thought on the way back I'm going to get a chippy for Nat and the lads. So I thought I might as well do that as a video on the way back. So that's where I'm going. I'm going to a chippy that I haven't been to before. I think it's called Valley Fish and Chips, I think it's called. So I'm just going to go there, get something for Nat and the lads. I'm not having anything because we had that burger and the fries in Liverpool. But I'll get Nat and the lads something, and we can just have a look, can't we? And I'll get Nat to review when we get back. So, go to Valley Chippy. Oh, here it is, guys. The Valley Fish Bar. That's what we'll go. There. There's any name on it, no. On a 5 rating on the hygiene. Oh, hello mate. How are we? You okay? Oh, can I have 3 dynamite and chips in a tray?
Yeah, small, medium.
What's the sizes? Yeah, show us sizes, mate, if you can, please.
That one's a medium, large.
Yeah, medium. Medium, please. Can I have a salad in 2?
Yep, I'll ask the salad and everything else.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, you I was looking, you open 12 till 8, ain't you?
From 12 till 2.
Oh,
4 till 8.
Oh, 4 till 8. Ooh, pizzas as well. 10 slices, 18 inch. Margarita, 8.50. That's cheap. That's quite cheap, actually, that is. Oh, I might have to come and try some of them pizzas one day, mate.
Yeah, beautiful pizzas.
Yeah, look.
Your stone baked pizzas.
The what, sorry?
All stone baked pizzas.
All stone baked. And 1 large curry sauce, mate, as well, please.
That is $22.50.
Oh, lovely. You know, I've just been to Liverpool, right?
Yeah.
And I've done to do a burger review, right? And that burger on its own cost me 20 quid. No, it was the worst burger I've ever had. So I got all that for the same price virtually, you know what I mean? Exactly. Just to show you, don't it? Yeah, it was crap, honestly. I know. No. Well, you got to try these things, ain't you? You know, you got to try. Honey, I'm home. Oh, she's been naughty. You've been naughty, Rox. You've been naughty.
I can't cope that noise anymore.
You've been naughty.
3 hours. It's been all day and then she's fucking start. She didn't stop since Black Moon.
Ain't she?
No.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Doing your mum's head in, Rox? Oh, you missed me, have you, Rox, eh? Oh. I'm recording.
I don't care.
The F words off Nat. Right, let me dish this food up, guys, and show you. Let me just take my coat off. Oh dear. Just getting them out, guys. I'm just getting them out. My legs are absolutely killing me. You know, Bab, I got lost about 20 times, darling. I did, yeah. Oh. Ooh. Right, let me show you. Before they get cold. I've got no lights out, guys, obviously. There's not a lot I can do. Right, here's the lads. These are just plain. He doesn't have salad on his. There's his. Them chips look alright, actually. And we've got a large curry sauce, obviously. He will have some curry sauce. Here's the one with salad. Oh. This is the other lads. He doesn't have sauce on his, but he has salad. And I'll have some curry sauce. here with me. Let's turn it that way so we can see it. Might be able to see it better. Chips. There's the chips on that one, look. Dynamite and salad. Them chips look nice, don't they? And then obviously we've got Natalie's with the mayo. There's Nats. So, not going to miss it. There is mayo in it, guys, because I've seen him put it on. It's on the chips and that there. See it underneath. They look nice, don't they? What was they? £7 each? That ain't bad, is it? Right, I'll give the lads theirs and then Nat can taste hers.
Right, try there.
Yeah, just crack on, babe. I'm going to make a coffee. And what I could do with a nice zest.
Oh, don't like that. Oh.
Don't like that curry?
Oh. No. Like.
No?
Try one. Try one. It's got a bit of a spice to it.
Spicy.
Try
It
one.
does look spicy, actually, that curry does, to be honest
I
with
don't like that. It's got a bit of taste as well. I don't like that. Yuck.
Well, that's very... It's very,
bitter.
it's not
Taste.
just a lot of powder, but too much water, so it's like it's... yeah.
Curglate.
Yeah.
Coglate. Well, curglate, whatever you call
Oh.
it. No, I don't like that. Yuck. Do you like that?
No, I'm not too keen on that curry sauce. Oh.
I'm not being ungrateful or rude, but these chips could have been done with cooking properly.
I think them chips look lovely.
Try one. What the look and what the taste are two different things. See what I mean in a minute. See?
Probably one more minute or two.
Might look nice, but they're not got no crunch to them or nothing. It's like they needed a couple of more minutes, like five, not 5 minutes, but a couple more minutes. The kebab meat's nice.
The kebab is nice. Oh.
Don't try some.
No, I'm full.
Try a little bit. Sure you can try a little bit.
I like that.
Yeah.
Them chips ain't bad. I've had better, but I've had worse.
That's what I mean. That's why I said
Maybe
I
like 2 minutes, yeah. But it depends how you like your chips, doesn't it?
true.
You know, everyone's different with the chips, ain't they?
But I don't like that curry sauce.
Well, I don't
Curry sauce is a no-no.
know. Oh. I am shattered.
You'll sleep
Got
tonight,
lost, pal.
did ya?
Honestly, mate, 20 times.
Uh,
And I know people were trying to help me. I was asking people directions. And I know they were trying to help me. But what they was doing, well, I think what they was doing, there was all that having me at it, typical Scouser, or they was trying to send me the simple way. But if they were sending me the simple way, as if you was driving, I was walking for miles. And I was ending up, I was thinking, well, I was up here earlier and you sent me all the way there. I've come back on myself. My poor legs. My poor legs.
I think Dimble's chip is better.
You think Dimble's is better?
And obviously my favourite one down the road.
Yeah.
But I really do. Like you said, I've had better and I've had worse.
Yes, I've had better and you had worse, haven't you? So there you go then. It was only a quick video, guys. Anyway, because people can't see that, I'll put it that way.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it was just something I'd done on the way back from when I got off the train.
I wouldn't go there again.
You wouldn't go again?
No.
You wouldn't go again?
No, I wouldn't go again.
Okay, and that wouldn't go again? No?
No, sorry.
Okay.
Just my opinion.
Yeah, it's your opinion, ain't it? You've got to have your opinion, ain't you?
It might look nice, but like, you just tried that. And
Yeah, I
it's
don't like that curry sauce. The chips are alright. I mean, the chips are manageable. Better than things I had in Liverpool, I tell you. Oh. One box. Oh.
Yeah, but it's time to give my honest opinion.
Oh yeah, you got to give your opinion, ain't you? Mm. Got to give an opinion. What you think? Yeah.
That's what I think. So
Okay then.
sorry.
There we go. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm going to go. Just this will be a short one. It was just something extra, that's all. As I say, give me a like, give me a subscribe. Till the next time. We'll see you later. Oh, and I forgot to mention, on the Liverpool burger video, I'm going to get a 2.5. Right? Because I forgot to mention it on the video. I'm just getting a 2.5. That's it. Ooh. And that's lucky. Till next time, guys. I'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.